So how to pass JSON as a parameter to the procedure so that that can be inserted into the tables. Okay. So first we will write store procedure for that. So create or replace, so PR underscore insert underscore employee P underscore emp data. So this is JSON data type, and P underscore STS status. So this one is output parameter. So output parameter, and data type is integer. Output parameter data type is, for message it is text. Okay. So language PL PGSQL as select. So for this we need to use default one. So JSON underscore array underscore elements. Okay. So this thing it can be converted, that JSON array, into number of rows. Okay. So convert that, we have to write like, so we have to give some alias name for that. So as I want to give capital A. So this one employee number. So for this you can pass the parameter P underscore employee data, and initially we will check whether this will work or not. Okay. By hard coding the value. So employee number, what are the employee numbers are there? Yes, up to 7 are there. So employee number 8, and e name, and H. So I, and salary 8,000. Department number, that is 30. So same object I am going to repeat. Okay, it is mistake. Teacher, and this should be converted employee number. So it should be integer, and A e name, e department number First, we will execute this. See. So we can get it. But I didn't change anything. J salary 9,000 and department number 10. Okay. So, but I want one more column also. So A salary and column. So now check this. See, all columns I can get it. Okay. Just converting that objects into number of records. Okay. Table format. And before that, you just write the query, insert into whatever the table you want, you can write. So employee table and employee number and e-name and salary. And after that, department number. Okay. So after writing this query, so just pass that status values. So 200 and p underscore message, and here save success. Call this stored procedure, and here I'm taking this and paste it here, and take this parameter name and put it here and create that store procedure. So now see, without null values, I'm calling this procedure. Okay, so it is state that it does not exist. Okay, so no procedure matches the given name and argument types. That means it is having 3 parameters, but you are passing only 2 parameters. So pass null, null. Column salary is of type integer. Okay, so it is expecting conversion. So integer. Now department number also it is expecting conversion. Now save success. Okay. Now I am going to write API router dot host. So insert JSON request response, let body equal to request dot body. Before that, use try catch. Res dot send new API response. So here 400 error message, and let result equal to await, and db pool dot query See here, error indication. Why? Because I didn't write async, but I am writing await. Okay, it is not allowed. So call, so take this procedure and $1, $2, $3, and body dot. So before that, go to the next tab and insert JSON. So here I am giving employee data and take this. Before that, we didn't check whether these records are inserted in database or not. Okay. See, 8, 9 record employee numbers have been inserted. Okay. And take this array and paste it here. And here I am passing 10 and I, J, K, 10. So this one employee number is 11. Okay. So I am taking this key name and body.amp data and if result dot row count is sorry. So here I am getting the response, right? So let res object equal to result dot rows of 0 dot not dot. Okay, that means I am taking this entire record into res object. Okay, so if res object, then res dot send new API response and res object dot p underscore sts, whatever the column name. So that column name should be right return. Okay, so res object dot p underscore message. Okay, and next else res dot send new API response res object dot if anything response is not getting from database, then write 201 and no data available. Okay, so you can change the error messages. Okay, so this thing you can change as per the requirement. Okay, now think a minute, we will have a debug. Then only if any parameters we can observe that what will happen, rows result dot rows or result dot row count. Okay. So catch block. Oh shit, I didn't pass the null values here. Again, error message. Okay, JSON. So JSON dot stringify it is required, I think. So that's why it is showing that. See the message. Invalid input syntax for JSON. Okay. JSON dot stringify. See, whenever you are changing the code, then you just start you just write the npm start. Okay, after executing that, compiling that only, you can do the debugging. Okay, otherwise old code will be debugged. So stop this. Why? Because debugging and execution command will not run on the same port. Okay. See, if you run this, wait a minute. So run this. Now in result, so row count is null and rows one record I can get. Okay. So and go to here. See 10, 11 we have inserted. Okay. And this here. Then I can get the message, success message. Okay. So so 8, I'm going to execute 6. So the data is not available. If you want to execute it again, this 10 employee number 11 are not available in database. So you can check, see 10 or 11, both are inserted. Okay. So this is the way to write the pass the parameters, JSON parameters. Okay, JSON as a parameter to the store procedure. Okay. And how many JSON objects are inserted, that thing also you can bind that value by using body.employee data length. Okay, you can give that response also. Okay.